20 years ago, you may remember this exact corner to be home to Costa's restaurant. It was a devastating kitchen fire in 2010 that destroyed Costa's completely and spread to the other nearby storefronts, leaving this historic Greek-influenced corner of West Loop vacant until today's resurrected residences, the Van Buren. The Van Buren was developed in 2017 and completed in fall of 2018 by Greektown natives Loukas Development. The Loukas family took the reins to rebuild a classic corner where they grew up, creating 148 apartments featuring studios and convertibles, 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans. The West Loop is just west of where downtown borders the Chicago River and extends west to Ogden Avenue. This area used to be the manufacturing and meatpacking center of the Midwest, but is currently undergoing a major shift to the loft condo conversions and Michelin star caliber restaurants. Just south of the historical Fulton Street Market, we encounter newly constructed residences along established Greek businesses and restaurants. And this is what it's like to live at the Van Buren.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3.
So many people are moving to Chicago, but few know how to live Chicago. With all the new construction happening, you deserve the inside scoop on Chicago's booming housing market. You deserve to live it up. My name is Stephanie Spenner, and as an apartment broker, I know the city like the back of my hand. Aside from revealing the hidden gems, I'll show you everything you are missing about apartment living in the Windy City. Avoid the dumps and discover luxury living in the hottest neighborhoods. See what's new, unique, and blow your socks off breathtaking. There's something for everyone in this city, but in this show, we only focus on the top properties for lifestyle seekers who want elevated views, unparalleled amenities, and the ultimate social experience. So what are you waiting for? Let our city become your city. Live shy. The Loop meets West Loop right here in this pocket of Greek restaurants lining South Halsted Street. At the very edge, you'll find the Van Buren, rising 12 stories above Giordano's Pizza and the Eisenhower Expressway, just 1 block from the CTA Blue Line. This boutique property brings a refreshing touch to the neighborhood with clean, modern line details both inside and out, and breathtaking city skyline views from the rooftop pool. Watch the city waken as the sun arises from behind the cityscape as you pedal to the metal with your favorite Peloton workout from this inspiring rooftop fitness center. Pick from hundreds of different virtual training programs or find peace in the private yoga room. Any day of the week, West Loop is waiting with ways to impress you. West Loopers just love Saturdays at the Green City Farmers Market in Mary Bartolome Park, the city's largest, every Saturday from June to October. Being the true center of the neighborhood, the park boasts it all: a playground, gated dog park, a viewing hill, and artistic touches throughout, like the Fountain Plaza arches that mist on extra hot summer days. Moments away from both the park and the Van Buren, Whole Foods and Mariano's grocery stores are just a quick carrying distance away. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the Loop and Financial District, as well as all the headquarters of West Loop, you can get to work in no time. Whether you walk a few blocks east over Highway 90, hop on a Blue Line train a block away, you can't beat this morning commute. This neighborhood is a foodie's dream. Being so close to UIC campus, Rush Hospital, McDonald's, and Google headquarters, the Van Buren is just inviting you to call it home. If you ever get lucky to make their wait list for one of these golden third floor terrace units, you may never leave again. Here, you can feel like you have your very own backyard in the heart of West Loop with a lawn, grills, bags, and cotton candy sunsets. Don't let the square footage fool you. All of their 2-bedroom layouts feel huge with wall-to-wall windows and bedrooms that don't touch. Look at these stunning city views from this southeast corner unit. These unique, chic, glossy gray kitchen cabinetries provide a soft touch that immediately lightens your mood and makes you feel right at home. Forget cooking altogether and let Aristithis do the work for you. A Greek restaurant and bakery serving up cafeteria-style pairings. Try my favorite, the traditional half lemon orzo soup and half tequila pollo panini. Athena is my absolute favorite spot closest to your door if you're living at the Van Buren. With a retractable roof, this place is beautiful year-round. Hint, for a true piece of Greece, try the saganaki, aka flaming cheese, or the horiatiki, aka huge Greek salad that's big enough to feed 2 or 3. Just across the street, Nine Muses continues to entertain since 1989. The owners brought in local artists to create the unique graffiti art that you'll see throughout. Looking for a real morning motivator? Head a block over to Ground Up Coffee Company for what many would argue should be Michelin-rated coffee. And you can't leave without trying one of their Greek pies. Brings me right back to memories on the ferry in Santorini. The flow of these floor plans were thoughtfully designed, wasting no space and never forgetting that, well, everyone needs a big closet. Get right to cooking with tons of space in these ample open concept kitchens featuring sleek white quartz counters where most layouts even give you room to dine in. Working from home? You don't have to leave these tantalizing views as you work from the welcoming resident rooftop lounge. And take a midday dip to refreshen your day. Looking for an apartment? To schedule your personal tour day, follow the links below and I'll guarantee to make things a little easier.